Hey there, viewers. So, as you know, it's Amazon Prime Day, and I think I'm pretty late to the game because they just emailed me last night telling me that these are going to be on sale for Amazon Prime. Not only on Amazon, but also on their website, so you can go check that out. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to go, see for yourself. This one is basically the same as the K10 Pro, just a smaller screen, no topology, but it does everything that's pretty much what the K10 Pro does. And I've been using this one because it has lifetime, software updates. This one only comes with 2 years, so this is the one you probably want to get, right? I think Canadian right now is just under $1,000, but then with the sale, it drops it down to around just under 700 or 690 something, I think. I haven't really prepared to do this video because they asked me to use it in a video and all that kind of stuff. But if you watch any of my previous videos, I have been using these scanners in my videos, so it's a decent scanner. I like it. It's better than our Honda factory ones, but it's the one I always grab out of my toolbox. Even the rest of the guys here. So yeah, I didn't really prepare for using these in the video, but I'm pretty busy with other stuff like this. My last job was also an engine on a Hyundai Tucson I had to put in, which I also used the scanner on to reset adaptive values, reset the electronic VVT and all that kind of stuff. And then just regular scanning vehicles like the Honda Fit I did injectors on, stuff like that. So it's a good scanner. I really like it. I've been using it a lot. So if you're interested, go check it out on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. But other than that, I got to get back to work because I got to clear my bench out. I'm pretty packed. So this thing's got to go out pretty soon because it's been sitting here for a while. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.